Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, let us prepare bonda rasam and dahi vada in South Indian style. Before we begin the preparation, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please do hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for notifications on time. First, we will prepare vada or bonda, which is common in both the recipes. The ingredients required are 1 cup of black lentil, that is urad dal, water as required, 1/4 cup of rice flour, 2 chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves, salt as per the taste, 2 tablespoons of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. We will now begin the preparation of vada, that is bonda. First, let us put water to 1 cup of black lentils, that is urad dal. We will combine it properly and rinse the urad dal twice with water. Now we shall add water as required for soaking. We shall soak the urad dal for about 4 hours. And now we can see that urad dal has soaked perfectly. Next, we will take the jar and add the soaked urad dal into it. Add water if required and blend it into smooth batter. The texture of urad dal is soft and perfect. Now we will take a large mixing bowl and put the blended urad dal batter in it. Next, we will add the rice flour, chopped curry leaves, chopped green chilies, finely chopped coriander leaves, and now black pepper powder, salt as per the taste. Let us now mix all these ingredients properly. We shall apply some water to the hand and take small amount of batter. Now we shall heat some oil for frying and drop the urad dal batter very carefully in it. Let us fry the bondas on low flame until golden brown. We shall flip them and fry on all the sides. The bondas are perfectly fried, soft inside and crisp outside. Let us keep them aside. And now we will start preparing the dahi vada. For that, first we'll check out the ingredients for making dahi mixture. 2 cups of curd, that is yogurt, salt as per the taste, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 1/4 cup of water, red chili powder as required, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of asafoetida, 2 dried red chilies, 10 to 12 curry leaves. Now let us prepare the dahi mixture. First, we will prepare the tempering. We will heat oil, add cumin seeds, curry leaves, dried red chilies, asafoetida. Let us mix and heat it for few seconds on low flame, and tempering is ready. We will add salt as per the taste to the curd, and then we shall add chopped coriander leaves. Finally, we will add the tempering to the curd. Let us combine the mixture properly. We will add water and then mix again. The dahi mixture is ready. Let us now add the prepared vada into the dahi mixture. Now we will mix it properly. We shall refrigerate it for 2 hours. We will combine it again before serving. South Indian variation of dahi vada has less spices added to it and has more focus on the taste of vada and curd combination. Lastly, we will sprinkle some red chili powder and top with chopped coriander leaves. Dahi vada has a different recipe in North India and is generally served as chaat or street food snack recipe. I hope you like the recipe of South Indian style dahi vada. Let us now prepare the bonda rasam. Check out the ingredients for preparing rasam. 3 large finely chopped tomato, 1 cup of boiled yellow lentils, that is tur dal, water as required, 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice, 1 tablespoon of jaggery, 2 tablespoons of rasam powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per the taste, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing, 2 dried red chilies, 10 to 12 curry leaves. Now we shall prepare the rasam. For that, in a heated vessel, we will add the finely chopped tomatoes. Next, we shall add 1.5 cup of water. Let us combine it properly and allow the tomatoes to boil. We shall now slightly mash the tomatoes. And now we will add the boiled yellow lentils, that is tur dal. And add 1.5 cup of water into it. Let us combine the tomatoes and tur dal properly. Next, we will add the tamarind juice, then jaggery and salt as per the taste. Now we will add red chili powder, then rasam powder. We shall combine all the ingredients properly. Let the rasam boil and we will add the finely chopped coriander leaves. We will mix it properly and our rasam is ready. We will have to prepare tempering for this recipe too. For the tempering, we will put oil, cumin seeds, curry leaves, dried red chili and asafoetida, that is hing. We shall give it a stir for few seconds and the tempering is ready. Now we will put the tempering onto the rasam. Let us now take a bowl and put the fried crispy bonda, that is vada, in it. And now we shall put the rasam on the bonda. Finally, we will top it with chopped coriander leaves and serve hot. I hope you all liked both dahi vada as well as bonda rasam in South Indian style. Well, if you're new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button before you go and don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications on time. Thanks for watching.